Hello friend, welcome back. Excuse me. So last time we drew 5 cells of our snake, right? Using 5 lines. There's nothing wrong with that, but let's move on to abstract out some important facts. You see here, each line, right? We have 3 critical pieces of information about a snake cell, like its location here, column and row, and its color, right? Yeah. So every cell has must have 3 pieces of information like that. So this is a logical concept, right? It doesn't matter where it is. Yeah, logically, the snake is composed of 5 cells with those logical concept, logical information. We can define a data type for that. Guess name. What is that? Swift. Let's create a struct for that, okay? It's just like a group of information. So SnakeCell, right? Create. Yeah. So let's move it up to here, top. Struct is a data type. So SnakeCell use the same name. Yeah. So we just need to put this information, let column, right? Where it is, this its logical location, int, right? That row, int, and color, okay? So for the color, let's don't use the directory because color is like, it's not a logical concept. Color is how we display it. We can use that is head, right? What about this? Boolean, okay? Yeah. If it's head, then we use some color. Otherwise, we use another color. This is the logical concept, right? Okay. So now, when we have that, we can click a save. Command S. Now let's go back to board view. Try to use that, okay? So now we can extend this function, right? This function to accept, like we can make use of this function in a new function called like draw snake cell. Oh, okay, draw snake cell add. Okay, so draw snake cell. So it will accept like snake cell as its snake as its data type. So we can simply call this function, right? Reuse draw snake cell at, yeah, here column. What is the column? Snake cell dot column, right? Snake cell dot row color. Oh, okay. Let's figure out the color. Okay, so let cell color equals, let's use a ternary. So if you are not familiar with the ternary, let's spend more time here. So basically the logic is if, right, snake cell dot is head, then we can use like let cell color data type is NS color, like that, right? So let's figure out if it's head, we use this color, right? We can make a copy of that, copy, and cell color equals this guy. Oh, else, right? Cell color equals the other guy, this guy. Copy and paste, like that, right? Now we can use this color here, right? So that's the complete logic to draw a snake cell given our snake cell data. Okay, so now let's replace this line, okay, using the new function here. What can we do? Oh, we can, wow, when we command slash to comment out, you see this kind of visual color square, right? Color square became something like that. Yeah, try to get used to it. If you uncomment, right, you will be back like that. So I guess, yeah, that's how Xcode works. Yeah, so it means this one is the same as this guy, okay, in text version. This is, yeah, this is like the visual version, right? It looks cool, but here, this guy, and in text it has to be expressed using this hash color literal, yeah, with the actual data there. Okay, so now let's do the same thing here. So if we run it now, we'll miss the head right here. Yeah, the head is here. Now let's try to call our new function, draw snake cell, this guy. Oh, we need to create a snake cell, right? So let snake, okay, head cell, something like that. Value, we'll create an object of snake cell, this guy, right? Opening parentheses, you see the autocomplete helps us. Colon, of course, is this guy, right? The to thing, we just passed in the information. So when we call this constructor, we'll assign right this to the argument to this property. It means this property of the object will become 2. Okay, same idea, same thing for 3, and its head, yeah, because this one is, so true, like that. Now we can use this head cell here, right? Head cell. So let's see, run it. Yeah, it works, right? It works. So now because this is used just once here, actually we don't need this line. We can put this guy directly here, right? But we'll do that later. So let's try this guy. So this is the body, right? The body cell. Okay, so let's create this first body cell, right? Let's create the snake cell, this one, opening parenthesis, enter. 3, right? Tab key. 3 is head, no, right? So it's false, like that. So after we finish that, we can comment out. Oh, we need to draw it. So draw snake cell, right? Now first body cell. So after we finish that, we can comment out the old code. Let's see, run it. You see, it's here, right? If we comment out this line, we can see the missing first body cell is missing. Yeah, here, this one, right? This guy is missing, this guy. Now, let's put it back and make sure it works. Yeah, because this is used just once here, so let's just use this guy, okay? So we can copy or cut and put it here. Now we don't need this. Remove that and run it. Yeah, everything is same on the screen. Now we can clean up this old code. We can clean up this old code. So same idea, we can cut this and put it here, so we can get rid of this line, right? And of course we can clean up this. So you see, we still use 2 lines here, right? Using the new function. This is the old function. Now run it. Same thing. So we can do the same for the following 3 body cells. Okay, so now we can simply make a copy of this here, 1, 2, 3, and replace the coordinates using, oh, this is 3, 2, right? This guy. So delete that. And the next one, 4, 2. So 4, 2, right? And delete this one. The last one, 5, 2. So 5, 2. Okay. Now we just refactored out that code and use the new function we just created. Now run it. Everything should be the same. Let's just test it to make sure it's from that. So for example, we change this to 6. The last one will go here, right? Okay, now undo. Command Z to put it back. 5. Run it again. Command R. Okay, one more thing. Now let's simplify this. If else, right? To use a ternary, so we can replace 5 lines using a simple 1 line of code, 1-liner, like equals. Okay, so here is a condition, question mark, then value if true, and the colon value if false. Basically, it's the syntax is like that. Ternary, there are 3 terms, right, inside in this expression, separated by 2 symbols, question mark and colon. So here the first item is the condition, right? So based on the condition, if the condition is true, then this will take, right, the value of this one on the left, to the left of this colon, right? Otherwise, if the condition is false, you will use the value here. Now what is the condition? This is the condition, right? If SnakeCell is head, like that, what is the value? This is the value, right? We want to make a copy of that. We want to use this value to, right, to assign to cell color. So this is value, paste. Okay, otherwise you will use this value, right? copy and paste here. So now we don't need this one, like that, or we can just delete it. Let's take another look. So it means this part is exactly same as these 5 lines. Okay, now delete, run it. Okay, nothing is broken, right? Now this one is used just once. It means we can simply put this one, cut, and put it here. So we don't need this one. So a single line to do all the work. Run it. Yeah. So in this video, we create a new data type, right? SnakeCell, to group the 3 pieces of information about a SnakeCell, and we use it, right? We use it here. So we create an object of this SnakeCell, and as the argument in the function call against draw SnakeCell here. We passed in, oh no, this one, right? And this function dedicates the drawing to another function, our old function here. So we didn't touch that, right? We just reuse that. Cool. Now we are happy with this progress. Oh, we'll go back to terminal. We'll try to commit. So git status. Yeah, that's the modification we made, right? So git commit -a. So what we did, we can say created snake cell struct, right? Struct, and used it in drawing our snake. Okay, escape key :x. Now check status again, clean, and so we can do git push. Now after that, the new code, right, is updated to GitHub server. You can check there online everything we wrote here. Oh, okay, that's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.